In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Calendly scheduling widget on your website. First, head to calendly.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Scheduling tab at the top. This is your hub for all event types you've created, such as one-on-one meetings or group sessions. From your homepage, find the event type you want to modify and open the Options menu by clicking the three dots next to it. Choose Add to Website. Calendly will present a few embedding options, and the right one depends on how you want visitors to interact with your calendar. Inline places the calendar directly on your page so visitors can book without opening a separate window. It's great for a dedicated booking page. Pop-up widget adds a floating button in the corner. It's a good choice if you want booking available across your site without taking up space. Pop-up text creates a simple link that opens the scheduler in a modal, which works well within paragraphs or on minimalist pages. Pick the style that fits your layout and brand, then click Continue. Next, adjust your page settings and colors. Match the button color and text to your brand palette so the widget feels native to your site. If there's a preview, use it to confirm spacing, contrast, and readability. Small tweaks here improve trust and conversion. When you're happy, click Copy Code. Calendly will copy a short embed code to your clipboard that reflects the option you chose. Now place this code in your website's HTML where you want the widget to appear. For inline embeds, paste the code exactly where you want the calendar to show up within the body of the page. For a pop-up widget, add it to a global footer or template so the button appears across your site. For pop-up text, paste the snippet near the link location you want visitors to click. If you're using a CMS or site builder, use a custom HTML block or your theme's header or footer code area, since regular text editors may strip scripts. Save, publish, and refresh the page to test. Try booking a test appointment and check it on mobile to ensure the widget loads smoothly and the colors remain accessible. And that's it. Log in, pick your event, choose an embed, customize, copy, and paste into your HTML. You're ready to accept bookings directly from your site